Now, the virus making a resurgence has led some to worry about renters getting kicked out of their places now that the federal moratorium has expired. The CDC is trying to help with that with a new protection for them in places where spread's out of control. That's us, really the entire state in the southeast here, as you can see in the red and orange on this map. But as 10 Tampa Bay's Bo Zimmer points out, the governor is among the many people asking if this eviction ban is even legal.
It's a huge relief.
Community activist Vanessa Burrito reacting to tonight's news from the CDC, a new moratorium on evictions, providing those behind on rent extra time.
People were not just terrified, but it was a very real fear for them, where I was getting messages from folks asking me, what are the safest places that I could park my car and sleep with my kids until I get paid again?
The extension only applies to areas of the country with substantial or high rates of transmission for COVID-19. That includes the entire state of Florida. In a statement from the CDC, Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky said this moratorium is the right thing to do to keep people in their homes and out of congregate settings where COVID-19 spreads.
One of the things that made people so scared was not only the lack of funds and not only the inability to pay back rent and current rent, but the surge of COVID and then being out on the street.
I don't think that they had authority to do that.
Governor Ron DeSantis sharing his view on the moratorium, which is also hurting landlords and depleting their savings, comparing it to the CDC's ban on cruise ships.
It's a question of, do these unelected agencies have the ability to do this without any legislative authorization?
There is a surge that is real, and it needs to be addressed. And I think a federal mandate and a federal moratorium is absolutely necessary to prevent, even more spikes in other areas of the country.
Now, there is some money available to help people who are facing an eviction. States still have $45 billion to send out. And for info on how to access some of these programs and resources that could help you pay your rent, just head to our website, 10tampabay.com. We have it all there for you.